What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of the Dr. Brown baby bottle cleaner. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this, including one thing that you should know before buying. So we got these. We have a toddler now, but who was a baby once, and we have to clean her bottles. And in cleaning her bottles, it's, you need something that will obviously do it. We don't really like to use the sponge to do it. So we like to use this instead. It actually does a really good job. So typically all the soap here, we'll just go around and really scrub within the inside. But this is really the coolest thing about the whole thing. It seems so simple, but it's pretty smart. So the biggest problem that we have, right, we'll clean the outside of this on the nipple, but the inside of the nipple, we'll put soap in there, but it's really hard to reach and clean. Not with this thing. So this perfectly fits into the nipple. So it allows you to actually scrub the nipple directly so that you can get any of the caked in milk and things like that off of there. Works incredibly well for us. And yeah, we've been really happy about that. Also important to note that this is the Dr. Brown brush, but this is a different brand of a bottle, right? So it does work with other bottles. But yeah, if you're considering it, I definitely do recommend it. Really enjoy it, and it does a great job overall.